We do it for the floor.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Morning, Kiwi. Me just wait, guys. When I don't know, my job slick at the airport yesterday. Make a little run. Come home, drop asleep. I know about 7 something in the morning. If you drive, go way up a Spring Hill on 4-hour drive. I go pick up something and fall back down at Fort Lauderdale. So, I go carry on with me on that trip. You see me, a little quick road trip. Come out upon yourself.
Watch out. It's a nail that in the tire, you know. I wonder why you can't drive so the tire flat. The one they flat. Come like on that side, they have some nail in it. Jesus Christ. What I remember a 5-hour drive me I do? Me the 3 hours left in the drive. But the car rock. So me I wonder how me drive over. So me I inspect the car right now as you see me pull over here so. But some nail in my tire. Shit. We just sort out the tire. Me screw out the nail. You have a little slowly, but I think I can make it. If I see one tire shop, I go pull over and fix it. You see me? But we put here in there and we back again. Just get gas. I left the gas station, you know. One thing. Yo, one thing with the road trip, when you buy yourself, you have to call somebody or make sure you drink one heap of caffeine and anything there. Cause right now, me I have about 3 French vanilla. And me feel nice. Hello. So guys, I stop at one tire shop and the guy say I have a used one with little meat on it. I forgot it that because later go carry me back at Fort Lauderdale. You don't look too bad. Them are work on the tire as one I can see. Jesus Christ, I never know say tire that bad. I change one here. I make them plug the other one. Cause the other one I just plug it need one screw it in it. That one they crack. Jesus. So I run me. Yeah man, my chip not good to a nice start. Me not gonna lie. The chip gonna start off nice. Me tired too, you know. But the coffee I keep me up, as I said. Drink coffee. Alright, so vlog world, we just stop again. Run out of gas. So we're there at the gas station now. Bomba, up here so cold, man. Me dey Tampa right now. Shit, up here so cold. Jesus. But the driver got good so far. Apart from me running out of gas, everything's perfect, you know? No problem. I know I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight. And tomorrow I have to go watch my daughter, you know. God will help me. I have so much editing to do when it comes to vlog, plus the movie, plus commercial. And I do it, you know, but I have a lot of shit to go on. But I make it work, you see me? Wanna be here with me. You see it? Full up this back again. And then we're there 30 minutes from the location where we go. After this, so then we go circle back, turn back and head pan way. Go home. You see me? I say I can at least edit a vlog when I go home and upload. So Thursday, I don't know what I go on. Coming on drop nothing lately. So I try to get a lot of work done on a beer with me again. Oh no, I'm so cold. Give me a second, I'll be back. Walk on. We're forward off our road trip. I almost reach home. I'm not that far. I grab them for grab and dip on my way. Almost home. I like 8:30 at night. I don't feel too tired because I drink so much coffee and Red Bull. I don't feel sleepy at all. But I almost reach home. I gotta stop and get gas before.
Me and you are gonna go out there and we're gonna take out some things out our house.
Me and you for what? Me no want in that.
Now it's looking like it's time to fucking leave your dumb ass. Cause how the fuck your belly big and we don't got no fucking food?
Them 2 boys outside again, you know.
I don't tell me only see a thing that me not see a play and then
So can you remove them off the property for me, please? Please.
Yo, look at my friend.
$500 touch, I'm not no lower than that.
$500 touch, we can't afford it. Give me the money.
This dead.
Me get $5 last time.
But you have an idea. Why you have to rub a knife? Bless you. See you're sick. Come. We rub a next year. Come on, man. I'm here. Man, you're sick. You can't rub a 6 years. Come on, man.
Oh, Scott! Andrew! You know a good friend. Are you me a try helping you out? Go see how you power. See, me a go poop, you know. Me know when you nervous you poop. Do not poop. You can't hold it up when me a go poop, dog. I drop your poop. Sorry, me can't hold it, dog. They gonna kill me, dog.
Morning. What going on, everybody? What they are do it for vlog? Me dey on the road I do some little shooting. And me I go by the club where the event I keep. Me actually reach right now and I look parking. I want to show up on the vlog gonna go forward for come see. Hope me not shake up the mic too much. Do remember, link in the bio for ticket. It's free parking, guys, so you don't have to worry. Your car will be safe. I reach an event spot, so I go park right now. And I'm showing the inside and thing. So go and stay tuned. Mother up on yourselves. Genesis event, banquet hall. And my thing. Beep, 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 boom. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So, we just reach our club and thing. We just talk to the promoter them and all that. We just talk to the club owner them, not the promoter them. We just talk to the club owner them. Alright, so right now, no chair and no set up yet. But, as you can see, this is set up for the whole event. Over here, so going to be VIP section. We want to see section half. Over there, so the VIP, them go there. Everybody else go there right here, so. You see? And table and chair, as I say, I go set up. This is the VIP section for all the very important people that's gonna come. You see me? This can hold more than 60 somebody up here, so. You see me? And remember again, chairs and tables are go up here, so. The selector booth, they way up there, so. And this the screen. No matter where on day in a club, you can see screen. You see me? This is the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom well kept. You see me? I know a female them like take pictures on them something. Alright, mad up on yourself. But we're back here, so again. January the 26th. Make it a date and don't be late. Best Friend movie premiere. Wanna come out, me excited. I can't wait to come out. Guys, today here with Kemar, one of the chefs for January 26th. Best Friend. Look on the screen, everybody. This is how I show you. No matter what day in a club, you know I go be able to can see. Right now it's empty, no chair no in here. As me say, me probably said that about 6 times every time. You select a booth over here, so here is going to be the bar, you see me? And the liquor going to be affordable. Me make sure that possible for you. The liquor is going to be affordable. So, I can't wait to see you January the 26th. Best Friend, dinner and a movie, Trabass production. Guys, I'm excited about this. I want to see you all now. Hope you come out. You see me? Hard work, only for sleepless night. You don't see it, because I watch you vlog them, so you don't see. You see me? Go and mad up on yourself, and we still a hurry up for shoot some scene for add to the movie and things. So you stay tuned. Dinner and a movie, January 26th. So right now we are leave the club. Me try line up our next shoot to go shoot. But me wait for the people and to link me. Back for here if me can use the place. So yeah, we'll leave up and down today, but rotted. See club here, guys. Mad thing. Genesis. So vlog girl, what go on? I don't know. We reach at the interview right now with Tifa and thing. We meet again.
Wanna smell good though?
Thank you, I bid.
This is where the show gets exciting. Because we have a special guest in studio. And I'm sure he's probably had a couple of side chicks. And he was probably a sideman himself at some point. But we're going to talk to actor, comedian, director, influencer, businessman, the one, the only, Trabass. Let's make some noise for my people.
Wagwan, everybody. Big up yourself in a Tifa. Worm, yes, wagwan.
there, man. We're there.
All the people them listening. Hi.
And watching on every
And watching on social media. Hi, what's up? It's Trabass.
Trabass is in the building. People.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when I told the team who was coming for the interview tonight,
Yes.
they asked me if it was the roach.
No, that's one different character.
It was the roach.
That's
And I
one
was
character.
Like, I was like, huh? What roach? And then I started to think back and I was like, oh, that's
Yeah.
the skit, that skit.
Yeah,
With the, I
yeah.
mean,
Series actually, a
yeah,
multiple.
listen.
Multiple.
And that was like 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago, right?
Yeah. During Corona time I do it because I did bored, you know.
Well,
And I talk to the roach them in the house, so.
so the
just
skit
think it
was
funny.
based off the roaches in your house?
No, sir. Not really, you know.
But you said you were talking to the roaches in your house.
You know when you're high?
So you were talking to the imaginary roaches.
I was
in your
talking to a fly, to be honest with you.
house. Okay.
Yes. And then the fly talked to me and I said, this would be funny. I'm just get roach suit because I never like the fly costume on Amazon.
So is it safe to say that you're one of the persons that was an influencer before the term influencer came?
Yes, and you can't ask anybody about that. I was there before social media was social media now, you know? So
Yeah.
I kind of go the farthest out of everybody in a them time there and, you know, make a mark for the culture while living overseas and all of that.
Definitely. And especially when it came on to skits
Yes.
and comedy. Like,
Yes.
And comedy especially. You're one of the first persons that was doing that, which led to like Prince Manny and Gallus in Paris out and a whole list of others. What was the vision that you had for yourself and what you saw for your future at that time?
All right, the vision when we did have was never give up. I swear, never give up. This have to work for me. I try work, every kind of job I could have think about. Even selling ice cream, what dog, all of that.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
That kind of sound.
Answer the question, please.
Grape nut.
Pass.
Why? I know that it not gonna come with something, you know. What?
Grape nut. It's
Something wrong with grape nut?
It's okay. No, you're Jamaica. You're Jamaica.
No, rum and race have the police them at Jamaica. You know that?
So your thought process was, listen, this comedy thing is all I have. I tried everything else.
Yes.
And I have to make it.
Yes, definitely that was my
That
mindset,
is
believe
a
it or
great
not.
manifestation on your part because you did it and you're doing it.
Yeah, man.
And I don't think enough people put respect on your name in terms of who you are and what you've done for the culture. You know what I mean? Because I would consider you a trailblazer when it comes on to a lot of things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The
Comedy, movie, music, all of that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The whole social media
Yeah.
movement. You know what I mean? And not
Yeah.
only that, you were a trailblazer in social media couples.
Jesus. Yes, you're right,
Don't
you're
worry,
right.
don't worry, I won't
We
get-
was the
I won't
first.
get deep. Exactly.
Yeah, the first
Let's talk
Jamaican
about it.
Caribbean couple channel
let's-
we go
listen,
real big.
Trabass was basically
Yeah, I did a lot of first
Kim K
thing.
and Kanye of our culture.
Yeah.
Like before you knew people were together, but they were like the first
Yeah.
social media.
You get that inside of them everyday life for couples do.
Exactly. I mean, I know you don't want to talk too much about it, but briefly walk us through that. What like the positive things that came out of it, the negative things that came out of it, and eventually, a very public breakup that you had.
Positive thing is,
Yeah.
it's a lesson learned. I think everybody go through relationships in them life will teach them something. And negative, I open up too much to the public. So at one point the public they feel like them have a right to say who me for there with that.
Entitled,
Yeah,
yeah.
so that was the downside. And what was the next
Very
one?
public breakup.
Yeah, the very public breakup. I think my angle it mature because nobody never hear me come say nothing on that side.
That is
You know, I feel as a man, if you and a woman separate, you know, if you talk about it, if you just...
that is me.
You're 100% right.
Yeah, as a man, I feel like if you just suck it up, when you go to leave the girl, make she talk, because, you know, woman getting them feelings. But to at a certain point,
to a point.
yeah, you can't go just continue it for the rest of our life. We're not going to do that.
That's true. Persons are saying that there's going to be a reset overall when it comes to the entertainment industry. Like, there are going to be some massive shakeups. So seeing it with TikTok and with other things, are you worried at all, given the fact that you built your name on the original apps and platforms?
No, not really, because over the years I've been transitioning to doing my own shows, and if it's not stand-up, I do put on a movie show where people can come watch movies in theater. So I think with me, I have more longevity in the thing. I mean, I have to rely on social media alone, but, you know.
So the new wannabe app, so you're jumping over to them? Like
I already made an account. I just didn't go live. Of course,
Quick
as a
thinking.
veteran in the game, I feel like I always have to hip to a new
Yeah.
or hip
And
what.
evolve.
Yeah.
All right, so when I introduced you, right?
Yes.
I said actor, I said comedian, I said director.
Yes.
Give the people some background to you in terms of taking the performing arts seriously and not just social media.
Okay, I
Like,
went to
what
school for
movies?
this.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yes, I went to
So
school
let's go
for
there
this.
first.
I went to school for this in Jamaica before I came up here, the whole Dodos thing. My mom was scared because they killed one of my friends and she had to send me up here. Yeah, so
Condolences.
it kind of cut my school thing short. But when I was up here, I had a lot of free time. So the internet was just coming up at that time.
Yeah.
So I learned about editing and then find out about YouTube and then find out you could have make money on YouTube. And then everything take off from there. So I was doing prank call first and, try different stuff to see what we
So
work.
it's not just a hurry come up thing
No,
on
no,
social
no.
media and whatever. So you're actively trained.
Yeah,
in
I
this.
learned the art of videoing first, like how to
Yeah.
edit and what color you have to
See,
use.
most people don't know that because
Yeah, enough
they
people
just
don't
see
know
Trabass
that.
and they think, oh yes, I want to do comedy and they want to
Yeah.
Instagram. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They don't know like he's a real serious like.
Yeah, man, I feel like that's why I'm there so far in this too, because I know a lot of people don't expect
No,
me to
exactly.
know.
That means they edit all their own videos.
Everything,
right?
everything.
Oh, wow. So you're like a
For
one-stop
music,
shop.
video, everything I me do. Produce
Really?
everything, yeah.
Wow.
Do everything myself. I teach myself how to be a producer. I just beat me can't make when it comes to the entertainment, but everything else I do.
So I'm excited because I know about the new project, but I'm
Yes.
going to allow you to talk about the new project that you have coming up. And
Okay,
who's
guys.
Who is a part of the new project?
Okay, guys. So, everybody out there listening to me and watching me on social media, I have a movie coming out. Now, guys, y'all have to support this. It's coming out on January the 26th. It's like
Repeat that part.
January the 26th.
Repeat that part.
It's coming out January the 26th, and you have to be at Genesis Event Banquet Hall to watch it. You see me?
Okay.
I'm not going to put it online yet. I want everybody come there to come watch it. Yes, support
people.
it.
Support the community.
Mama
Support
tell
an
you-
active member of the
The-
Florida community.
Yes, which Jamaica, we are represent for Jamaica.
Exactly.
Mama tell you what I got expect. It's like a Friday vibe movie. You see? Me and my best friend. Now no work, so throughout the day we are find things to do for make some money. Female landlord, me don't want to tell you too much, but just know it's a lot of laughter tonight, crying, and a lot of known people like Tifa, Tony Mataran, Slick White Line,
It has to be a good movie.
Andrew Trabass,
It has to be.
Pretty Dan. A whole heap of people tonight, man. Just look
It has
out.
to be good. So what was the inspiration behind? First of all, you didn't
Yeah.
tell us what it was called.
Best friends.
Best Friends. Okay,
Yeah.
so what's the inspiration behind it?
All right.
And why you feel it's necessary for the culture right now?
All right, the inspiration behind it was everybody coming together basically. I always I say I want to do a project where I can reach a selector or reach a news personnel for Aki Night or, an artist. And knowing the level where I know as Trabass,
Yeah.
I feel like I have the opportunity can connect everybody together. So that give me the whole vibe to do this right now.
I love it.
And it's the first project where I say I can have a lot of big name in it. So I really feel proud. I'm well want it come out. I can't wait till you see
I
it.
can't wait for it to come out. So like any movie premiere, okay?
Yes.
You know you're gonna have. You just said you're gonna have the movie premiere on the 26th, right?
Yes.
It's gonna come out with a big bang.
Yes.
So I think the way that you chose to launch it was genius.
Yes,
Tell us
thank
the
you.
concept of the launch and what it's
All right.
called.
All right, so it's called Dinner and a Movie. I did this last year before in April, but I rented out a whole movie theater, 217 seats, and I full it with 187 people.
That's good.
Everybody else will never come and call them they overseas buy a ticket. You know how that go.
Yeah.
But it was a good turnout. Yes, Worm did it. And them see the crowd, everybody reaction when they made a watch. Doing it in a live Carib, it just did make me feel like people want to sit down and eat while they watch something. So that's why I do this one and call it Dinner and a
I
Movie.
love the concept.
Yeah.
That's usually like date night.
Yes, so you can bring your
Date night vibes,
partner,
exactly.
and
I
just
love it.
vibe out and a laugh.
So Dinner and a Movie, guys, is on January 26th at Genesis Banquet Hall.
You remember Genesis Banquet Hall?
Yeah, so
Or follow me on Instagram for more
Exactly,
information.
at Trabass.
Tickets on Eventbrite.
Tell them where they should come.
You should come because this is going to be, I'm going to say, a mark in the Jamaican culture. And you know anything me say, I say it go for real. Just watch. It's going to go viral. Every scene from that movie clip go
I
viral.
don't mean to cut it, but you literally have every viral person.
Right now, right?
Like Tony Mataran,
Yes.
Like,
Yes, so you know the
right.
crowd where I go come with that movie there. Just know, expect
Exactly.
the unexpected.
So guys, we just reached home back from the interview. We premiered them. Tired. I forgot to edit a little bit before I go sleep. But big up on yourself. Talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah, she have a man but still want fuck me have a me ex a tell everybody me a the me nah go lie, me think I chew me a the just living life and fucking bitches a me no one